if we're moving to the Philippines when you retire. Ito yung baby namin na hindi namin pwedeng pabayaan kapag nasa Pilipinas kami ni John. Okay, may nakuha tayo ngayong gabi, guys. Guys, ito yung mga nakukuha natin sa pamamasura dito sa Amerika. Good morning! It's breakfast time. Oh, you already... I got another one. Another set. Alam na kasi ni John, no, if I eat, I always have spoon and fork. Very Filipino. Pag si John, only fork. But why you have spoon? Usually fork lang talaga yan si John eh.
Because I set up the table for prank.
Ow. Nag-ano kasi kami, nag-content kasi kami. Ayan guys, kain tayo egg, sausage, chicken sausage. Ayan.
Delicious chicken sausage.
We got this one from Costco. And during breakfast, I always have suka. This is my all-time favorite sausawan. Kain tayo guys.
Looking at your eggs.
Right? Runny. And then, we always have toyo. Put in our rice. Sobrang init. Nag-content kasi kami dito sa labas. So, pinangatawanan na lang namin na dito kumain sa labas. The weather is beautiful today. I don't know if it will rain today.
I'm not sure what the forecast is.
Remember, the egg here is very expensive. $16 for 18 pieces. We already finished one tray in just 2 days, 3 days.
Yeah, well, in fairness, I made a cake.
Naggawa kasi si Jan ng cake twice. I saw a comment. They're asking, if we're moving to the Philippines when you retire, what is your say about that?
Moving there? No.
Ako kasi guys,
Maybe visiting more, but not moving there.
I already asked John that before. Hindi niya gusto na mag-settle or mag-stay sa Philippines longer than 6 months. Which is right naman kasi the opportunities here there. Right? But John will be retired in 3 years or 4 years?
3.
3 years. In the US kasi guys, retirement age is not 60 years old. Philippines is 60 years old, right?
65.
Here in the US kasi is 65.
Maybe it's 65 and a half or something.
63.
You can do
You're
it
already
early.
59.
You can do it early, but they give you less money.
Early is 63?
62 and a half. But you don't receive full benefits.
Do you retire in 62 and a half? 63?
Depends. We'll have to see when we get there.
Ayaw kasi ni Jam. It's hard to resign kasi when you have a boss like your boss right now.
Right?
Sobrang bait kasi ng amo ni Jan. Kaya, hindi siya makaalis-alis ba? Ikaw ba naman, you work like twice a day, twice a week? Minsan, never work in a week. Pero bayad.
Sometimes not.
Binababa lang ni Jan yung shade para hindi ganun kainit. See, when Jan is pulling it down, it's already shady.
Province is fertilizing the garden.
Nalibang na sa ring doon sa garden namin. So you want to, instead of staying or settling to the Philippines,
We just
you
go
just
back
visit,
and forth. Yeah.
Visit more often. Mas gusto ni Jan guys na
More often. Yes.
I mean, okay lang naman sa akin. Ako kasi gusto kong magstay na matagal doon kasi gusto kong mag-business. Gusto kong makasama yung pamilya ko, matagal. Pero plano ko din kasi na kunin yung papa ko. Dalhin ko dito. Para matry din ni papa ba ang sa Amerika, ganyan. Pero kakausapin ko pa si Jan. Kung gusto ba niya na magdala ako ng family member dito. Hindi ko pa kasi yun nabanggit sa kanya eh. Sa sunod, tatanungin ko na lang siya. Ako kasi, muuwi-uwi ako. Dahil may business kami doon. Mga bags, mga pabango, mga sabon. So, kailangan ko talagang tutukan kasi mas maganda talaga kapag hands-on ka ba sa business mo. Pag nandito kasi sobrang hirap, guys.
I love America.
And I love Philippines.
You love America too.
I love America. Soon I will be American citizen.
Just think, there's no winters in Philippines.
There is in Baguio City.
Yeah, that we don't live Baguio City.
We're far away from Baguio
Far
City.
away.
We're like miles and miles away. Pero baka kukuha kayo ng unit doon sa Baguio City, no? Mura lang kaya ang mga condo doon.
So in the
You
summertime,
can find condo in Baguio.
summertime it's Philippines because it doesn't matter. It's just as hot here as it is in the Philippines. We have beautiful winters here.
Right. So when summertime here, we go to Philippines.
What about the cat?
Hala, yun pala ang problema.
Yeah, kitty cat's not gonna. Kitty cat's gonna run away in the province. Never see her again.
Ano kaya ang gagawin namin dito sa ering namin? Siguro i-ano namin siya, pakituyo namin siya sa kaibigan or we put in a, I don't know. You contact
Oh, Franny.
Franny.
I don't think so.
A friend of Jan offered na siya ang magpapakain sa pusa kapag wala kami dito. Mag-iwan lang kami ng pagkain sa labas. Siya ang mag-feed. Meron kasi kaming dito, cat feeder, smart feeder. So when something is broken, like for example, there's brownout, you have to restart, right? When there's brownout, you have to restart. You have to turn on or what?
It's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be battery backup. But last time, battery backup doesn't work. I can test it now.
But we have a neighbor that we can ask actually to check the cat. Ayan. So even when we are in the Philippines, we can monitor the cat.
Before, when it would go out,
Mm-hmm.
I think before the cord was no good.
Okay. This is our baby. Baby namin to, guys. Ito yung baby namin na hindi namin pwedeng pabayaan kapag nasa Pilipinas kami ni John. Mag-aalaga sa kanya dito at mamomonitor namin siya kasi may CCTV, nakikita namin siya. No? You okay with that?
From wild to domesticated.
From wild to being spoiled life in America.
Spoiled life.
Wild cat lang ito, guys, pero ngayon spoiled na. Ito yung cat na hindi kumakain ng mga tira. Ayan, oh. She's not going to eat that.
She could care less for anything
Oh,
but cat food.
Ayaw niya talaga, guys.
Dry cat food. That's it. No chicken, no fish, no beef.
Ito lang yung nakita kong pusa, guys, na hindi kumakain ng mga tira. ng mga tira-tira. Ayan,
Maybe because all that stuff reminds her of her childhood.
Childhood, very poor.
Only finding scraps on the ground. No cat food.
I don't want to go back to that life. So this is the current situation of our kitchen. It's very unorganized as of this moment. Ayan. Papakita ko lang sa inyo. Ganyan po siya ngayon. Oh, para makita niyo talaga ang before and after. Ayan. Ayan. So we're gonna clean.
Well, he said we're. What? I'm running away.
So, remove everything away. Gusto ko sana ganito lang yung countertop. Ayan. Walang laman. Pero hindi talaga pwede yan, guys. Kasi puno na rin yung mga drawers natin. So, pero magagawa natin ito ng paraan. Kasi gusto ko sanang papalitan ito, guys. Oh, itong cabinet natin. Ayan. Papalitan natin ng white yan. So, para everything white. Itong backsplash natin is kaka-install lang kasi nito like 2 years ago. So, bago pa yan. So, ito lang talaga ang main concern ko. Papalitan natin to. And then, as much as possible, kailangan lagyan natin ng more spaces. Ayan, tapos itatapon na natin guys yung mga hindi naman natin kailangan. Kasi I want ito, gusto ko walang nakalagay dyan sa labas. As much as possible, gusto ko countertop natin, malinis. Ito, table natin dito, malinis. Yan. So, hanapan natin ang paraan yan. Gusto ko nakatago lahat. So, linisin ko muna ito. Kuskusin ko muna ito ng mabuti. Itong ating countertop. Kailangan ko ng kabo. Meron akong kabo dito eh. So, kikis-kisin natin yan. Kasi, ayan, kagaya niyan. Oh, may mga nanikit na. Ayan. Gusto ko talaga malinis ang countertop natin. Dati natatawa ako nung bago pa ako dito guys. Ignorante ako dito sa ganitong design ng kanilang stone ito eh. Hindi ito tiles. Stone. So, na-ignorante ako. Kiss-kiss ako ng kiss-kiss kasi akala ko may dumi. So, yun pala, style pala niya yun na ganito. Yung parang may pintok-pintok na mga dumi. Ito yung kanina ko pa hinahanap guys. Itong ating kabo. Dala ko pa ito galing sa Pilipinas. Maganda ito guys para hindi na tayo pagpabalik-balik sa sink na magbasa-basa nitong ating trapo. Ayan. Nung umuwi kasi ako sa Pilipinas guys, nagdala talaga ako ng mga gamit na hindi ko nabibili dito. Kagaya ng mga arenola, mga moskitero, mga kalo. Alam mo yun, yung mga takokong na kalo. Tapos ano pa ba? Mga pamaypay. Alam mo yun, yung mga ginagamit madalas natin sa Pilipinas. Ano pa ba yung mga walis ting-ting. Ang dami kong mga dinala. Although meron naman kami ditong coconut, diba? So marami pwede tayong gumawa ng walis ting-ting dito. Kaso nga lang, yung coconut namin dito, kakaiba yung kanyang dahon. Kasi hindi siya sturdy. Hindi siya ligon. Kaya bumili na lang ako ng walis ting-ting sa Pilipinas. At saka walis tambo. Nagbili din ako ng walis tambo. So, kung ano yung mga... Bayan si Google.
Did you do 30 squats?
Pinapa-exercise. Pinapa-exercise na ako. Pinapa-exercise na ako ni Google, guys. Katatapos na namin mag-breakfast. Was for lunch daw. Katatapos na namin mag-breakfast. Ayan, may mga reminder yan si Jan sa kanyang Google. So, every time, nagre-remind yan sa amin kung ano na ang gagawin. Anong oras na. Kailangan na mag-prepare ng lunch. All around ito, guys. Ang ating air fryer. Linisan ko lang talaga siyang mabuti kasi, especially dito sa loob, nagmamantika-mantika siya. Ayan, puno na yung ating Nespresso. Itatago natin yan. Hindi natin ito tinatapon. Kinikip natin yan, nare-recycle natin yan. Kapag bumili ka kasi ng Nespresso, nagpapadala sila nitong recyclable bag. Hello, dear.
Hi, honey.
What's for lunch?
I'm gonna make sausages and ramen.
Sausages and ramen. So yesterday kasi we used dalawa lang yung ginamit namin. This time 3 because 2 is not enough. Luto lang si Jan. So ililipat ko dito. I-on ko muna siya guys ha. Tignan natin kung ayan. Facial recognition first, dear. Mahal ito. May cheese.
It's inside.
What? Ito yung trending na pumuputok. Na! Wala. Hindi siya ganun pumutok. Pero masarap pa din.
Were you able to download the app?
Yeah.
It's in the phone? No. In your phone. How's your noodles?
Good. Masarap ang hotdog. Tumawag lang pala ako dito sa customer service representative ng DJI Osmo kasi hindi gumagana yung iPhone 16 Pro Max ko dito kapag ilalagay ko siya. Pero buti na lang yung representative was able to help us. Ayan, gumagana na siya as you can see. Pero sa iPhone 15 Pro Max lang. Hindi siya gagana sa iPhone 16. I have to figure out pa.
Not working, try to reinstall the app, the Mimo.
Oh, okay.
Uninstall and then reinstall again.
All right. Thank you so much for your help.
Yeah, and restart your phone. Yeah, no problem, sir.
Thank you. You've been very helpful.
Perfectly fine, right?
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Hi.
Hi and bye.
Okay, it's done. Said I'm gonna turn off.
Johannes,
Yes, dear.
you said you wanted to eat, but there's not very much rice, and it's dokot.
You know what? When we were kids, my mom would make tinughong. Hot water. We call it tinughong. You just put hot water on the kot.
What's that gonna do?
Basta para siyang lugaw na. Hindi naman ito lugaw talaga. Minsan nga, ginagawa, black coffee ang nilalagay dito. And then you're gonna put asin.
You want me to sin?
Asin.
Oh, that's a sin. Putting too much salt is a sin.
Katawan na si Jan. And then all you have to do, dear, is you have to, diba? Oh, diba, dear? It softens the dukot. Alam niyo, sa totoo lang, nung bata pa kami, ganito lang, masaya na kami kahit ganito.
I can tell you, that doesn't look very delicious to me.
Kuhagyahong, dear, palihog. Kuhagyahong, dear.
One yahong coming up. There's yahong.
Okay. Pero alam niyo, guys, sa totoo lang, ito yung kinakain namin nung bata pa kami. Hindi naman madalas, no? Pero parang ano na to sa amin, comfort food. Yung iba, yung mga comfort food nila, mga Jollibee, mga ganyan. Diba? Sa amin, ito na yung comfort food namin. Ayan. So, kain tayo, guys. Sarap, dear. Mami, kayo. Ayan, kain tayo. Galing kami actually na masura ni Jan, pero mabilis lang kami, like mga 30 minutes lang kami. Dalawang basurahan lang yung pinuntahan namin. So yung isa, walang laman. Yung isa naman is, notebook lang yung nakuha namin. Tsaka back scratcher, dear, no? We got a notebook and back scratcher. Madaming mga boxes. I think, nag-restocking sila ngayon, kaya hindi sila ewan ko. Hindi ko alam kung anong araw talaga sila nagtatapon ng mga jackpot talaga, guys. Pero anyway, yun, umuwi na lang kami ni John. Yun lang, notebook lang at saka ano yung nakuha namin. Back scratcher. Wow. Naalala ko talaga. Ganito talaga, guys. Ang tinughong. Minsan maglalagay ka pa ng kape. Pwede rin kape at saka tuyo. Alam mo yung bulad na goodbye head ang tawag sa amin na bulad eh. Ang sarap niya, guys, i-partner. Kape, black coffee, ibahog niyo mo sa kanon. Ayan, lagyan mo ng hot water and then sinugbang bulad or pritong bulad or sinugbang. Sobrang perfect combination talaga, guys. Yun yung minsan kinakain namin nung bata pa kami. Masarap to, guys, kapag ka medyo konti na lang yung kanin niyo at nagtitipid kayo. Lagyan mo lang ng water at asin. Masarap.
What are you doing with the gravy? It's not soup, it's gravy.
Oh yeah, you know, at KFC, this is what we do. Bahog sa kanon, gravy.
Yeah, that's why it's so expensive at KFC.
Yeah, oh, see? Look. It's already ulam.
Wow.
Dinner tayo, guys. Ito yung dala ni Jan galing sa work. Meron tayong fries dito, meron tayong onion ring. Ito yung ating paboritong chicken tender. Ayan, may roasted chicken and broccoli. Ito naman yung sa akin.
Buffet at home.
Buffet at home. Ang ginagawa ko talaga sa gravy guys, nung sabaw ko talaga sa kanin guys. Napakasarap isabaw ng gravy sa kanin. What are you doing with the empty sky flakes?
It's garbage. What am I
No,
gonna
it's
do?
not. It's not
What are you gonna
garbage.
do with that?
That's where you put your lamau.
Lamau?
Yes. See? You put your lamau there so we can give it to the pig. And you cover that so there's no langaw. Bato-bato. A few stone moments.
You could use it for a planter.
Tignan natin kung may tinapon ba sila ngayon. Hindi na sila nagtatapon talaga ng mga chips. Ayan, may chips pero kunti lang. Ayan. Okay, may nakuha tayo ngayong gabi guys. Ayan po, ito na mamasura tayo ngayon. May isang chips. Ano pa ang meron dito? Uy, parang maraming chips ah. Ayun guys, sus, ang dami pala nito. Ayan guys, ito yung mga nakukuha natin sa pamamasura dito sa Amerika. Ang dami.